Not all Valentine digital products are oversaturated. The challenge is knowing which ones that you can craft now and it still perform well. In this video, I will show you how I use a powerful tool to break down a digital product with strong potential to perform better this Valentine season. Before I dive into the creation process, I'll be using Allura, an Etsy analysis tool that helps identify which product designs are currently gaining attention. There are two different ways to find trending designs using Allura, with the second method being my preferred option. The first method is to go directly to Allura, click on Research, then select Keyword Research. From there, you'll see a search bar where we can simply enter our keyword. In this case, I'll be searching for Valentine clip art. This allows us to easily see how product designs are behaving within this niche and use that data as inspiration to guide our own designs. But here's where it gets interesting. We can actually use Allura directly on Etsy without needing to visit the Allura website at all. To do this, I made sure the Allura Chrome extension was installed. Once it's active, you'll notice the Allura icon appearing on each product in the search results or on the right-hand side of the screen. After searching for the Valentine keyword, we click on the Allura icon and it instantly shows us how each design is gaining traction, including helpful details like when it was posted. While doing my research with Allura, I came across a Valentine clip art design called Romantic Valentine Couple Clip Art. This design was listed not too long ago, yet it has already shown strong engagement. The reason this design is gaining attention is because it uses a trending art style known as whimsical. This means that if we want to be competitive in this niche, we need to apply a similar style since many shoppers are actively browsing for it. One major advantage of creating for Valentine's season is that people don't just look for digital products, they also explore physical products that feature the same popular designs. What's great is that creating physical products follows a very similar process to digital products. Once your design is ready, a print-on-demand platform takes care of the rest. And this is where Printify makes the process much more straightforward. Printify gives you access to a wide range of popular white label products that you can easily customize with your own designs. What makes it even better is that Printify integrates smoothly with popular online store platforms. This allows you to create your product directly inside Printify and have it automatically appear in your store with just a few clicks. With Printify's built-in AI model, you no longer need to spend time figuring out titles, descriptions, or tags. All you need to do is provide a short description of your product, and Printify's AI will review similar listings in your niche to generate well-structured titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps your product appear more clearly within Etsy search results. On top of that, Printify's global network of print providers helps ensure consistent production timelines and reliable delivery for customers. I'll be showing you exactly how to use this service later in the video. Now, to create this design using AI, I'll be testing it across 3 free AI platforms so you can compare the results and decide which one you prefer. But before that, this is the prompt I created. In a white background, imagine a whimsical couple dancing together in a gentle embrace, flowing dresses and sweet fabric moving softly, pastel hot accents floating around them, romantic watercolor style. The first platform is Leonardo AI. This platform still provides 150 free tokens daily for image generation, although the number of tokens used depends on the AI model selected. For this video, I'll be using Nano Banana, which requires 140 tokens per generation. After that, I'll set the aspect ratio to 1:1 since this is a clip art design. Once everything is set, I click generate, and this is the result I got. Next, we move on to the second free AI platform, AI Ease. Here you get 5 free tokens for image generation, and it also offers a wider range of styles to choose from. Since my prompt already includes a design style, I left it unchanged. After generating the image, this is the result I received. For the final free AI platform, I'll be using Magic Media. But before generating any images, you need to create a new Canva project and choose a custom size. Then select the 1:1 portrait format. After that, I head over to Magic Media, paste in my prompt, select the aspect ratio, and generate the image. This is the result I got. Now that we've placed all the results side by side, which one do you think looks the best? And these aren't the only prompts I've created. I've put together a list of 100 prompts you can use to generate designs like this. The link will be in the description, and a special thank you to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Once your designs are ready, the next step is to compile them into a PDF file and upload them to Etsy. However, to prepare the design for physical products, we upload it into Printify. After that, you'll connect your online store with Printify and select a white label product of your choice. For this example, example, I'll be choosing a mug because items like this tend to attract more interest during the season. Once selected, I import the design and duplicate it so it appears on both sides of the mug. After that, Printify automatically generates default product details. To make your product easier to discover, we then use the Printify AI model, and it will generate a structured title, description, and relevant tag suggestions for you. Once everything is set, click Upload. Finally, if you found this helpful, feel free to grab my prompt list from the description below. It can save you a lot of trial and error. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.